So today we are diving into something hardly anyone talks about, but absolutely everyone feels: GSM. It is the difference between that tee you wear on repeat and the one that is hanging limp at the back of your wardrobe. Hi there friends, welcome back to the Textile studio. We help you build a wardrobe that reflects your values stylishly and intentionally. So what is GSM? GSM means grams per square meter. It is how much 1 square meter of fabric weighs. Simple, right? But it tells you everything about how the fabric will behave. GSM fabric weight: light fabric, low GSM; heavier fabric, high GSM. A lightweight cotton might be 120 GSM, your hoodie maybe 300 GSM or more. It is why one fabric feels breezy and soft and another feels firm and structured. Let's talk real life impact. Why does GSM matter? Low GSM fabrics are breathable, perfect for summer and great for layering. High GSM fabrics are thicker, warmer, more durable, but might be too heavy for it. If you have ever bought a top online and it came back paper thin, yeah, low GSM. Or maybe you've worn a shirt once and it is stretched, faded, or peeled, likely a low GSM fabric with poor construction.
Wow!
So to the main gist, choosing the right GSM for you. When curating a wardrobe that lasts, understanding GSM helps you, number one, to choose the right fabric for each season, know how it will wash and wear, avoid fast fashion flimsiness. 100 to 150 GSM light, summer tops, linings, flowy dresses. 160 to 200 GSM medium, t-shirts, button downs, everyday pieces, yeah? 220 to 300 plus GSM, heavy, like really heavy, jackets, sweatshirts, structured pieces. Don't just shop based on looks. Ask about fabric composition and GSM. That is your real insight into quality. At Textile Studio, we teach you to shop responsibly, and GSM is one of those tools that help you do that. Clothes made from quality, mid-weight, natural fabrics last longer, feel better, and reduce waste. When you choose pieces that are built to last, you are not just protecting your wardrobe, you are protecting the planet. Longevity is the foundation of sustainability. Now that you know what GSM is and why it matters, what is that one piece in your wardrobe that feels just right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more lessons that blend fashion and intentionality. Okay, see you next time.